Kotomado Pulida na Kech wa Masebu Michael Musime John Keda bia Mukama Jude Kitutu ngesta bobo ibuako ikaboi kinto koke wongon lude muri arito sonabo jididu mafabi Dominic MP lo kaipolo ko kidena ko Uganda o raida bobo Aminista lo chichilo kaipolo konabo wakoli Godfrey MP lo ko Butiro County Kalayo Manafa District nempeka da Werike Peter Christopher MP lo Bubulo West County Gidagui Mafabi Gregory ekabaraneti lo de rechurusi kombale kere ka John Faith Magolo MP loko Bungoko North County na Ombale District ai atakindane iji honorable Massa says wambede loda sekibona chamo utadie kitibuni be gwailo ajoko jokotobolo iti adolwe raru netaikwi.
And that of surety too does not indicate her suitability of standing as a surety in court. In reply to this, Counsel for F3 submitted that it is not the duty of the local councillors to determine the suitability of a surety, as that is the role of court.
Onaceke Kitutu da namboya ngesta apono jurusi kinae oto Abwoun na kalona ajilileonu ikaboi kinto koke ikia kesi erailo sekarai RDC orai kwa nailo thithiri chairperson Lukobu Kaweka sub-county Chief Magistrate Joanna Chiro ngesta aboi girunu tupitono Abwoun Kitutu imori artos da bonebe erai berengesa etachi milioline tomono cash anepanen kaya unda land title sikelu alupoko ke yare aija ikina dieket dodo ikabwe kintok erai nguna itutuku bonebe engere ya bonguno koti imilona kwatare bweta kwesikose osodi namboya ngesta apono temara iboni bejo detejo ijo imiloni uni bonile munijo osodi luibwe kinetejo ochamuto za etachi miloni na kwatat anoda ayanga ununujo koti.
So A1's bail is granted on the following terms and conditions. 1, A1 is going to make a cash deposit of 10 million shillings. Sureties, each of you is bonded to 200 million shillings, not cash. The same explanations I did to the two sureties prior that stood applies to you as well. Then thirdly, the land titles, the two land titles will be deposited with this court. That is the titles that were verified by both the defense and then the prosecution. I do adjourn this case to the 27th of April 2023 at 9 a.m. When this court is also expecting to appear. Criminal summons having been issued against him.
Epwe namba arapole namba loka imugisu moriaritos MPs ilwa polo kalwa barak moriaritos lu sekarase imenistan kwa penata minista loka ichurusa kadeta tai Michael Werike Kafambusa loda jai epupinu wa baladi ya keteki alamulu epuno ibonebe yalamangisa anyuno au pake elachakineodo ber luyare kesde nyakuna dieketa kaisara nukanyare nuela pa lope alo apuli osani uni otoma oinere magistrate emuno ilu Abaho Joshua eti kegirigiran lodera assistant secretary oriongete loka Karamoja affairs lo mame butoro ko tagiaraya ebe joda bunere itoro narta ibubo keskede Kitutu anwe chamsana osodo na chekengesta etepe senta ibonebe merina chikone koko ingada yiboro luko kwan.
I didn't have good job.